Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, it will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the Echo Show 10, third generation. If you want to know how to use it, watch the video till last.
Alexa, call Dad.
Hi, baby.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
Hi, Grandpa. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Believe me, you gonna love it.
Alexa, show me cupcake recipes from Food Network. 1.5 cups of graham crackers. Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, play Mrs. Maisel on Prime Video.
You're weird ask. You're weird what? Something I asked for in your contract. He kept hounding me. When he asked what it is, I was blank. The room should be so
Here are its features. Alexa can show you even more with a 10.1 HD screen that's designed to move with you. Video calls, recipes, and shows are always in view. The speakers deliver premium, directional sound. Stay in frame. Video call friends and family or take a picture, while the 13MP camera with auto framing and motion keeps you front and center. Smart home made simple. Set up compatible Zigbee devices or smart products without a separate hub. Ask Alexa to show you security cameras, control lights, and adjust thermostats. So much entertainment. Ask Alexa to play your favorite shows, music, and podcasts from Prime Video, Netflix, Amazon Music, Spotify, and more. The ultimate kitchen companion. Cook along with recipes on Food Network Kitchen. Get unit conversions, set timers, add to your grocery list, and multitask with ease. Put your memories on display. Use Amazon Photos to turn your home screen into a digital frame that makes your favorite pics look great in any light with adaptive color. Specs. Designed to move with you. Move around the room during video calls or while you're cooking along to a recipe, and the brilliant 10.1 HD screen will automatically turn to face you. You can stay focused on whom you're talking to or what you're watching. Voice control your home. Alexa can control thousands of compatible smart home devices like security cameras, lights, thermostats, and more. Just ask her to show you the front door camera or brighten the kitchen lights. Easily set up and control compatible Zigbee smart home devices without the need for a separate hub. Say, "Alexa, discover my devices," and Echo Show 10 will discover and set up compatible devices so you can control them with your voice or manage them on screen. The hub also works with select Ring smart lighting, solar lights, and bulbs. Take a look around when you're away. Securely access the built-in camera to look around the room. It's peace of mind whenever you want. You can also use Alexa Guard Plus to help you keep your home and family safe. Once it's set up, Alexa can send you smart alerts if your Echo device detects the sound of smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, glass breaking, or other activity noises. Packed with entertainment, the speakers deliver premium, directional sound that adapts to the space you're in. See lyrics, recommendations, and album art with Amazon Music, or stream from Apple Music, Spotify, and more. Alexa can be your sous chef. As your kitchen companion, Alexa is ready to help you add to shopping lists, remind you of calendar events, or tell you how many grams are in a tablespoon. You can cook along to step-by-step recipes. And with a 1-year complimentary subscription to Food Network Kitchen Premium, get exclusive access to cooking classes and shows. Just say, "Alexa, open Food Network Kitchen." Put your photos on Smart Display. You can use Amazon Photos or photos from Facebook to turn your home screen into a digital frame that uses adaptive color to make your favorite pics look great in any light. And with the built-in camera, you can easily add to your photo album by saying, "Alexa, take a selfie." Plus, Prime members get unlimited photo storage. Designed to protect your privacy. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic, camera off button and a built-in shutter to cover the camera. Easily turn on, off motion at any time by voice, on device, or in the Alexa app. The processing that powers screen motion happens on device. No images or videos are sent to the cloud to provide the motion feature. Simple steps to use Echo Show 10 3rd generation. Step 1. Plug in Echo Show 10. Step 2. Connect to the internet. Step 3. Just ask Alexa for music, weather, news, and more.